everyone, Allison here, and this video is called Van Life, How to Do the Dishes. Because, the truth is, I don't know. Everybody seems to have their own way to do the dishes while living in their vehicle. I'm not in the vehicle yet, but I've been doing a lot of research about how people do dishes. Some people do a vinegar and water spray. Some people wipe their dishes off, lick their dishes. But I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the dishes for me personally. And I'm making this video because, I don't know, I had this thought of how I would do them, but I think maybe it might gross people out. But I don't know if anyone else has thought of this, but it's called drink your gray water. Now, that's probably gonna sound crazy and gross. But hear me out just a little bit. It's not that gross if you've just eaten a meal. I had some spaghetti for dinner this evening. I'll show you a little picture. Then I ate the spaghetti and I had a dirty dish. I have a dirty dish. And I need to wash the dirty dish. I need to wash the container I put the food in. I probably should have eaten the food out of the container I used to store the food in. That's probably what I'm gonna do living in a vehicle. And in my water video, I showed you these containers I have to put my water in. A lot of people have like 5-gallon tanks, but I have, well, these are 2.5 gallons because I'm a tiny lady and I don't want to lug around 5 gallons. So the idea is the water's gonna go in here and there's gonna be a little spigot and the water's gonna come out of the spigot. But my water in the video, it's gonna come out of my wall because I still have wall water. I just had a shower. I really like water coming out of my wall, but it's gonna come out of a sprayer that comes out of a bucket if I move into a vehicle. So here is my dish doing method. I have this theory, soap is for guests. Got this thing of dish soap. It has lasted me a whole year. It's not even almost empty yet. It's still almost half full. I don't even use soap when I'm not living in a vehicle. What do I think I'm gonna do with dishes in a vehicle? Okay, so I have this container and I'm gonna fill it with water. A little bit, a tiny bit of water. You sort of wipe out your container or your bowl or whatever. I have a container, so I'm gonna just swish it around. You don't wanna make all of that gray water. So you just drink it. I don't know, people are gonna think that I'm really gross on the internet, but people don't get enough water to drink every day as it is. You're supposed to drink half your body weight in ounces. Why would I wanna put this in a gray water tank? It's healthy and nutritious and delicious. It's not that gross. I just got done eating the spaghetti that was in there. And the dish is fairly clean. Clean enough to use again. Just need to wipe it out a little, especially if you have spaghetti. It's like, you can steam your container if you try to heat it. I used the microwave to heat my dinner this evening. I have a portable oven. I could have heated it in. I'm trying to get myself used to all of this dish doing and food prep without the appliances of house. Here's my bowl. Just stick a little water in it and wipe it out with your clean hands. Or you use your immune system. I think actually wiping the dish with your fingers is better because you can feel where the dirt is. You can feel if it needs to be cleaned or not, and then you just drink it. Sorry if you think this is gross, but I thought this was a very efficient way to do dishes and make them clean and not have gray water. And I didn't make gray water, I didn't use a lot of water, and I have clean dishes. And maybe you just need a little wipe at the end, but I think that's how I'm gonna do dishes when I'm in a vehicle. I have 1 more month in this apartment, so I'm getting ready. Here we go. I think in another video it's gonna be bye-bye apartment. Bye-bye for now. Hello everyone, Allison here, and this is my van called Wonderland. If you're a millennial and beyond looking to become a Roam owner, maybe retire early and see the wonderlands of the wild, then this is the place for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and save this video to all of your van life and Roam life playlists. For more information in less time, adjust your playback settings to watch these videos on 1.5 speed. If you'd like to follow my adventure, or you need a consultant to help you get from a house that doesn't move into a home that does, then visit my website at www.allisonwonderland.info. See you in Wonderland!